everybody. My name is Daniel, the owner of the D&R Machinery Company Limited. So this is our production basement in Ningbo. Now I'm making a brief introduction of our production area. This is our guardhouse. This is our office area, office building for the factory. Now I'm introducing our important area for customers. This is our introduction area of the company. This is the pattern of our companies. This is a laboratory for our customers. This is a dissolver for the gelatin and the lab cooker, CFA. This is Lab Mogul for making the candies. And this is for material putting and also the cooling area. This is small wooden trays for the laboratory using. And this is mold board and the depositing plate and program plate. Okay, let's go to workshops. This is our tooling workshop. This is CNC center of the all we bought from the South Korea. This is nozzle plates we are making. This is a program board already made. Nozzle plates. This is material area. Okay, we go into the warehouse. All material coming here before going inside the warehouse must be inspected by each pieces. This is a rotating valve waiting for inspection. This is inspection area. If the parts approved, then we'll be making the laser injection here, laser printing here. Each part will be printing the model number and the working number on it. See. It's easy for service after sales and also the quality checking by ourselves. The plates, the parts, this is the main gearbox for transportation of trays we bought from Germany. This bearing area. All bearing Germany brand or Japanese brand. These all piping parts. Stainless steel one. For the parts for the steam. This is a chain using for machine. This is our electric warehouse. So PLC, we are using Siemens. Other electric parts, we are using Schneider. Servo drivers, cables for servo motors. This is our Mogul under construction. Stackers. This is a tray feeder and turntable. Turntable one time overturn the trays. Under this is another sieve for first time separate the starch and candies. This is a twin barrel for cleaning the starch on the surface of candies. Also inside will be have the air cleaning system. So making sure the starch will be cleaned inside the machine. This is this starch sieve and the leveling system, starch filling system, and the starch leveling, and also sides of tray cleaning system, and starch printing. On the top of we'll be using air system sucking the air which after printing. This is the main transportation of the tray systems. This is the side transportation of the trays. This Mogul will have the 3 depositing heads. This is a tray stacker. Control box. Inside the control box, we are using the PLC 1500, highest model of the Siemens. Servo drivers, inverters. This is the frame of the cooker. Checking the welding job. It's all made by manually. Three welding stations. It's a frame of starch conditioning system. Vortex one. Fiberglass trays. This is the starch conditioning system putting on the top. This is anti-static electric bag, dust bag. This is our tubular cooker, vacuum chamber, tube cooker. This is the latest cooking system for the gummies, for protecting the bloom of the gelatin. It's the parts using for cooker. This is from Italy, Sparasaco. For steams. This color, flavor, acid dosing system, automatic one. Control box. So tanks for the material. Okay, that's it. This is our all working processing for the Mogul.